This is my video pitch for my 5-lesson learning plan for EDCI 5250. This unit or lesson cycle centers around the essential questions of what is matter made of and how is it classified. So we begin with an exploration of different ways of classifying things, whether that's by color or by texture or by their state of matter. And then we start looking at, okay, well, what is matter made up of? So we look at the structure of an atom, including the nucleus containing protons and neutrons, and the electron clouds around each atom. Then we go into learning about the periodic table, so the different types of atoms that exist in the world, and how the periodic table classifies matter by different properties and characteristics. And then the students will do their own periodic table research presentations. Then after they finish that, they will be assigned an element to adopt that they will be doing a mini research project on individually, and then making a 3-dimensional model of that atom that they can display that has the correct number of protons, neutrons, and electrons for that atom. Then lastly, we kind of circle back to the first question and introduce some new vocabulary like compounds versus molecules and types of mixtures like heterogeneous and homogeneous mixtures. And so they sort of revisit what we did in the first lesson and make a poster that has an explanation for the difference between an element or an atom and a molecule, a compound, and a mixture with examples of each type of substance. So the importance of math and science instruction in this is, well, there's the math that's involved in this unit is very abstract, and there's a lot of abstract reasoning and modeling with mathematics because the charges of the subatomic particles are positive and negatively charged. And so students have to understand the balance that creates in an atom. So they'll be using this simulator that is called Build an Atom, where if you have more electrons than you have protons, it will tell you that the overall charge is now negative. And so there's kind of they have to learn to apply these mathematical concepts to real objects that those properties will affect each other when the subatomic particles are arranged together. So that's kind of the main math concept. There isn't a lot of calculation of anything in this unit, but it's more about systems and processes of organization and reasoning that has a lot of its basis in mathematical thinking and algebraic thinking especially. So thank you. Hope you enjoy it.